Jersey number 31. To number 3, to number 21, back to number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Ayun. Same ball, sabi ni Red. 10 to shoot. Number 21 to number 30. Foul by jersey number 11. First personal foul by jersey number 11.
Si Manok sino? Si Manok sitin ka?
Wala. Ano yan?
Ay.
Import namin yan.
Import.
Import
Sorry.
namin yan.
Free throw by jersey
Ay,
number 10.
andyan ka rin.
Wala. Second attempt for jersey number 10. Wala pa rin. Tuhan number 23. Pass to number 18. Number 18. To derecho. Good shot by jersey number 18. Long pass to number 31. 30. Good shot for jersey number 30. Number 11. Maghahanap kung silang papasahan. Number 11. 10 to shoot. Number 11. Wala. Kuha ni Beriones to number Sunblock. Sunblock, tumira ng 3. Boom, panis. Kuha ni number 18. Number 18. Number 11 to number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 22. 18. Down to 7. Great. Foul. Black ba yun? Black? Oo. Black by jersey. 6 and 30 seconds. 31 to number 30 to number 3. Easy layup by jersey number 3. Shout out sa bagong gupit nating scorer. Kapag wapo mo daw, ganyan naman daw yung pag-aagaw. 10 to shoot to number 11. Wala. Kuha ni number 20. To number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Bantay sarado ni number 11. Pass to Mulawin. Mulawin. Ayun, wala. 10 shoot. Ayun, wala. Number 21. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 22. Rebound. Number 22 to number, Number 11. Number 11. Good for 3 points. Ayan. Mukhang hindi bumembay. Ayan. Number 21 to number 30. Ay, ganda naman nun, pero hindi pumasok. Number 22. Rebound by jersey number 22 to number 18. Pass to number 11. 7 seconds. Wala. Ayan. Number 21. Sayang. The number 3. Number 3. Yan na. Pero may pito. Jersey number 24. Foul. Hindi. Si Ballers. Ballers Ben. Four and 51 seconds for the first quarter. Kaya nga. 4. Four and 48 seconds. Set to shoot. Number 3. Okay, kaninong bola, rep? 3 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds shot clock. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Jersey number 21 attempting for 3. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 24. Number 11. Number 23. Number 23. Ayun. Pero may pito si Re. Jersey number 21. First personal foul by jersey number 21. Free throw by jersey number 23. First shot. Wala. Number 23. Second attempt. Good. Pasok sa pao. 23. Ayan, number 21. Number 21. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 30. Down to 5. Pero may pito. Three seconds. Okay, 3 minutes and 52 seconds na lang ang natitira sa first quarter. 11 to 23, number 23, number 23, pass to number 24, number 24, good shot by jersey number 24. Official score, 8 and 5. Number 21, nawala ang bola ni jersey number 21. Naagawan ni number 24. Number 24, dumiretso. Wala. Pero bound by jersey number 30. Number 30. Ayan, tumira din pero wala. Napal ang bola ni number. Pass to number 24. Good shot by jersey number 24. Jersey number 21. 21, pass to kalaban. 23 to number 11 to number 22. Number 22, good shot. Nahilo na. Di pa nakakain ng igado. Namantikaan na. Okay, music, maestro. Kanino naka-bluetooth to? Official score, 12 and 5. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Anthony, ano ba talaga number mo? 24 o 31? 31 kasi nakalagay dito eh. 31? Jersey number 3. Pass to number Briones. Back to number 3. 15 to shoot. Ayan, number 23. Number 23, nagdadala ng bola ng pass. Ang lakas. Number 3. to number 20. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Pass to Bron. Pass to number 10. Mulawin. Tapon. Sabaw. Rebound by jersey number 30. Pinilit. Good shot by jersey number 30. Tapon. Wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Number 3 to number 10. Wala. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Tumatakbo. Pasa kay number 23. Number 23. Good shot by jersey number 23. Turn our shot by jersey number 23. Ayan na. Dadala ng bola. Jersey number 30. Nagtapon. Nagsabaw. To number 23, to number 22, number 22. Easy layup by jersey number 22. 1 minute and 27 seconds. Number 3, naagawan ng buko. Number 18 to number 11. To number 22, ayun, punti ka na. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 14. Number 21 pala. To number 10. Number 10. Wala. Baseball. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Tumira ng dot. Wala. Number 20. Number 20. Naagawan. Last touch. Ballers. Same ball pa rin. Official score, 16 and 7. Time remaining, 49 seconds. 49 seconds for the first quarter. Number 10. Number 3, tapon. Wala. Ayan. To number 20. Pass to number 20. Wala. Number 23. To number 36 seconds. Long pass to number 22. To number 18. Number 18. Wala. Ay, nakuha ni number. Long pass to number 3. Number 3. Good shot by jersey number 3. 20 seconds. To number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 24. Sayang naman. Umikot-ikot. May madidilaan. Yata.
14 seconds.
14 seconds.
1-4.
Kumanda ka sa dilas. Number 27. Foul by jersey number 27. First shot. Ayun. Bumawi. Good shot by jersey number 14 seconds na lang po ang natitira. 24 again. Good. Down to 10. Number 3. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and that's it of the first quarter. Official score, 18-9. Kalahati po ang lamang ng ballers. Hello. Music daw. Next, sino si Magante? Magante? Buksan mo! Basugin! Ako na lang kumantagad. Karaoke na lang. Hello. Back to the ball game. Huwag mo lang patayin, okay lang yan. Back. Number 3. Kuha ni number 16. Follow up by jersey number 60. Number 20 to number, ayun jersey yan. Number 8 to number rebound by number 15. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8, wala. Number 3. Number 3, wala. Traveling violation. Ayan, tumatakay ng jowa ng hindi niya jowa. Ayan. Babagkain mo pa naman si Tadeo. Maton yan eh. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Valid. 3 seconds violation by jersey number 15. Ay, natutulog. Yes. Jersey number 30 to number 3 to number 20. Nakugawan ng buko ni number 8. Number 8. Zaki. Ayan. Sabre. Number 11 out. Number 8. Number 11 in. Number 8 out. Number 3 to number 34. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 20. Long pass to number sa kalaban. Wala. Ayan na. To number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 30. Wala. Pero may pito. Jersey number 20. First personal foul by jersey number 20. 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Number 30, free throw. First attempt, good. Second attempt by jersey number 30. Good. Number 20. To number 11. Number 11. 15 to shoot. Number 11. Tapo ng sabaw. To number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Dumiretso. Easy. Basket sana. Kaso lumabas. Wala pang padulas. To number 3. Number 3. Wala. Tapos pa rin ang sabaw. Nakuha din number. Nagagawa ng buko. Kuha din number 3. Pero may pito. Si jersey number #1. Foul by jersey number 11. Second personal foul by jersey number 11. Number 3 to number 16. Pass to number 3.
To shoot.
Number 3, dumiretso. Pinasa sa... Ayun. 6 minutes and 2 seconds. 6 minutes and 2 seconds. Number 15 to number 11. Number 11. 15 to shoot. Number 11. Back to number 15. Meron gawa ng bola ni number 3. Number 3 to number 27. Number 27 back to number 3. Number 3. Wala. Kuha ni number 16. Nakagaw. Ayun, nagawa ng bola ni number 11. Number 11. Wala pa rin. To number 27. Number 27. To number 16. Nako, bitin. Ayan, to number 17. 5 minutes and 18 seconds. 5 minutes and 18 seconds for remaining for the half quarter. Official score, 18-13 in favor of Ballers. 5 ang kalamangan.
Yan na. Itong 3 points, panalo tayo. 21 na yun.
Back to the ball game. Sayaw-sayaw sa gitna ng court. Number 20, dadala ng bebe. Number 20, looking for a receiver. 15 to shoot. Nagawan pala ng bola. Number 3, tumatakbo kasama ang bebe. Lays up, good shot by jersey. Number 3, ayan na, humakabol na. Number 7, to number 24. Number 24. Number 24. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Good shot by jersey number 15. Number 16 to number 17. Paas na wala ang bola. Malakas. Number 17 to number 3. Good shot by jersey number 3. Official score 20 and 17. Remaining time 4 and 33 seconds. Number 24 pass to number 15. Dumulas ang bebe sa kamay ni number 50.
Hola!
Ayan, to 31, buntikan na.
Pagkukulang si...
To 16, to 27. 27.
15 to shoot.
Ang lakas.
Tumalpog may pag-asa eh.
Number 20. To number 7. 15 to shoot. Good shot by jersey number 20. And number 16. To number 3. 15 to shoot. To number 31. Number 31. Tapon. Ay, naku, walang papadulas. Lumabas. Number 24. 24. Akala mo yata.
Jed! Praktisado!
Malapit na. May didila kay number 24.
3 minutes and 44 seconds remaining time for self quarter.
Number 3, pass to number 16. Ayan. Ayan na, wet na. Wet na ang ulo ni number 16. To number 3. Number 3, 15 to shoot. Nabitawan ang bebe. Nakuha ni number 27. 27, wala. Lumalbog. Nakuha ni Tadeo. Tadeo, naghahanap. To number 24. Number 24. Dumiretso. Sige, bebe. Good shot by jersey number 24. 3 minutes and 17 seconds for the half quarter. Official score, 22-17. Human roll on to Sunblack. Sunblack to number 17. Number 17, back to Sunblack. Sunblack, nag-iisip. Sige. Good for 3 by jersey number 3. Ayan. Number 20. Dadala ng 7. 15 to shoot. Foul right. 16. Push to foul.
Bayad yata, bayad.
14 seconds. Shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 15. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Wala. Number 7. Good shot by jersey number 7. Malingit ka, boy. Pero, mabagsik. Ayan na. Number 3. Long pass to number 27. Ayun. Kuha. Good shot by jersey number 27. Number 24 to number 20. Number 20 to number 15. Number 15. Wala. Reba by number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Sala.
Good!
Number 5. Number 20. Walang tawa. Ayan. Si number 3. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Deadlock for the half quarter. 2 minutes. Ano? Number 16. Wala, tumalbog. The number 7. Ayun na naman si number 7. Number 7.
Praneri ball.
Kuya, 26 yung ballers. 26 yung ballers, 24 ang Prenori. 26 ang ballers. 1 and 39 seconds. 1 and 39 seconds. 15 to shoot. To number 3. Pag-isipan ni number 3 to number symbol. 14 shot clock. 14 shot clock. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Official score 26-24. 27. Wala. Are. 1 minute. To number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Okay. Number 27.
For half quarter.
Ayan. 52 seconds. Sabre. 15. 21 out. Ay in. 16 out. Deadlock po tayo sa half quarter. Ayan na. Sunblock. First shot by Sunblock. Good shot by Sunblock. 51 seconds. Naagawan ng bebe. Ayan. Same team ball pa rin. 46 seconds. 46 seconds. 46 seconds. 15 to number 24. Nagawa. 43 seconds. To number 3. Number 3. To number 21. Number 21. Wala. Tumalbog. To nakuha ni number 7.
30 seconds remaining time.
Number 24. To number 15. 24 seconds. 24 seconds.
24 seconds remaining time.
For the half quarter. Long pass to number 20. Number 20. Number 20 to number 17. 16 seconds. Down to 14. Number 27. Tumalbog. 11 seconds na lang po. 11 seconds. 11 seconds.
Time to shoot.
4, 3, 2, 1. That's it! Of the quarter. That's it! Ayun. Good now, good now. Good, good. Counted, counted. Counted, counted, counted. Counted, 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 counted.
Bigay nyo na, pwede namin ito.
Hello.
Music, mainit ang laban. Dalamangan. Gagabang pauwi! Idilaan! Ang leeg!
Hindi ko lang alam. Ataw sa pangalan ko.
Back to the ball game. Ay, nako. Number 11. Tumira ng threat. Wala. Put back by jersey number 24 pero wala pa rin. Jersey number 20 to number 3. Number 20. Muntikan na. Pass to number 11. Number 10. Wala. Kuha ni number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Dumiretso. Wala. Nakuha ni number 17. To number 30. Ayan. Di nakuha.
Pinagdemanda namin.
Lahat.
Last touch! May fingerprint yan. Hindi ko nawakan. Last touch ako. Miss na lang.
Number 11 to number 24. Number 11, air ball. Ay, sayang. Number 17. Ay, yun to number 3. Number 3, easy. For jersey number 3. Number 23. Number 23. Number 23. Dalawa ang gwardiya. Nakakagawa ng buko ni number 17. Number 17, pass to number 30. Number 30. Wala. Kuha ni number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Sige, tira mo. Number 22. Nako, wala. Kuha ni number 17. Number 17. Number 20. Number 18 to number 24. Number 24, nabitawan, nakuha ni number 18, nagagawa si number 10 at number 18. Ayan, mainit ang laban. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Number
Continue to shoot.
jersey number 18. Number 30. Official score, 34-26. Good shot again by jersey number 30. 37 and 26. 10 ang laman. Ganado sa buhay si Bilog. Ayan na, 22 to number 11. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 24. Nakakala ng bola ni number 17 to number 3. Number 3. Delays up with jersey number 3. 18. Number 18. Ayan. Number 83. Number 3. Good shot by jersey number 3.
5 minutes and 26 seconds remaining time for third quarter. Number 11. Pass to number 23 to number 22. Pero may pito. Number 30. Number 24. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 23. Number 23. 22. Good shot by jersey number 22. Ang galing naman no. Number 3. 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Ayan. Four minutes and 53 seconds.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Number 27.
Ten to shoot.
Number 3. To number 20.
Going right.
3 seconds violation.
4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining time.
Number 18. 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Number 18. Strike. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Number 23. Wala. Number may Pito. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Third personal foul by jersey number 10. Good shot by jersey number 23. Second shot. Good shot by jersey number 23. Two personal foul by jersey number 30. Number 30, nagdadala ng bebe. Ayun, nakagawa ng bebe. Sixteen shot clock. 16 shot clock. 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 30. Pass to number 30. Number 30. 40. Walang papadulas. Lumalabas. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18. Dumediretso. Good shot by jersey number 18.
3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining time.
Ayan na. Si Sunblock. Sunblock. Babat na Sunblock. Ayan. Sabrep. Number 17 in. 27 now. To number 11, Austin. To number 23, number 23, back to number 11, number 11, back to number 22, to number 18, pero 39. Ano yun?
14 seconds.
14 shot clock. 14 shot clock. Number 22. Pass to number 11. 10 to shoot. Natutulog sa pansitan. Ayan, number 30 to number 20. Number 20 to number 17 to number 13. Wala. Foul by jersey number 23. 23.
foul niya. Isa pa lang, isa pa lang. Number 30. Good shot by jersey number 30. Pero may pito. Number 20, pushing foul. Warning for penalty, Team Proderi, number 3. Official.
Fifteen to shoot.
Good shot by jersey number 24. Number 3. Good, air ball. Number 23 to number 22. Ayun, pero may pito. Pasok ba yun? Second shot. Good.
2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time.
Number 20. Umacha. Natapala ng bola.
Last 2 minutes.
Number 11. Wala. Kuha ni number 23. Good shot by jersey number 23. Number 3. Official score, 39-43.
15 to shoot.
Down to 10. Number 30. Easy got set by jersey number 30. Number 18. 1 minute and 32 seconds.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Foul by jersey number 39. Oh. 18 again. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pushing foul. 24. Number 30. Number 3. Number 3.
15 to shoot.
Number 10. Number 10. Counted. 24 foul. 20. Third personal foul by jersey number 24. Number 10, first shot. Wala. Kuha ni number 39. Ayan. Number 20. Number 20 to number 20. Number 23, nagdadala ng pede. Number 23.
15 to shoot.
Number 23 to number 18. Put back by Justin. Number 23. Wala. Number 3. Ayan.
36 seconds. 36 seconds remaining time.
36 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Official score, 47-39. Seconds. 22, easy, pero wala lumabas. Nako. Number 30. Wala, ball. Jersey number 18.
70 seconds.
15 seconds. Jersey number 20. Penalty po sila, penalty.
30 seconds.
13 seconds.
13.
13 seconds. Ayan. Good shot by jersey number 18. 13 seconds na lang po. Lumabas. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. 47. Ang kapaltat.
9 seconds.
Ang kapaltat ba? Nine seconds. Nakuha. Nakagawa.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Ayan, lamang ng pito. Pito. Sabi ni referee, pito.
Babagsagan ko sana yung ano, yung malaki nila para sabi ni Pastor.
Yung ano na yun, hindi pinadala. Kahit dalawa lang ano yung malaki lang, kahit yung malaki lang.
Ayan. Anin pala ang kalamangan. Ito na. This is it, pansit. This is it, gagabang pauwi. Madidilan ang leg. Papayag ka ba doon? Ipanalo mo yan. Ice cream, patumbakan. Sino? Teka. Wait lang. Bago na. Number 15. Number 15 to number 22. Wala. Kuha pa rin ni number 22. Wala. Ay, guwapa. Number 3. To number 3 again. Pangkain mo. 10 to shoot. Number 27. Down to 5. 27.
4 to shoot.
Wala. Nakuha. Rebound by jersey number 24. Ang lakas mo boy. Rebound. Number 23. Number 23. Ay wala. Put back by jersey number 22. Ay, number 3. Number 3. Tangkain mo. Pero Rep, ano yun? Wala. Okay, sa wala. Sabog na tayo, sa wala. Number 15 to number 18. No, to number 18. Presto, Dispensa, bebe. Number 23, pass to number 22. Pass to number 15. Ay! Put back again. Kunin na lang, di mo pinakawala ng sabaw na mainit. Ayan, number 3. Number 3, tangkain mo Wasaki ng patres. Wala. Nakuha ni number 27. Number 27, wawasak din. Wala. Wala sinagpapadulas. Ayan na, number 23. Number 23. Ayun. May tawag. Kumabit si number 10. Number 10, number 3. Number 10. Third personal foul by jersey number 10. Free throw by jersey number 23. Ayan. May pampadula si jersey number 23. Ayan. Nalanaan, no? Kininanagit din. Number 23 again. Ay, wala. Rebound by jersey number 20 to number 39. Ayan. 46-47. Ayan na. Number 20. Number 24 to number 18. Ayan na. Si coach. Number 18. Number 18. Number 24, wala. Nakuhanin mo namin. Pass to number Sandlak. Sandlak, tumatakbo. Good shot by Sandlak. Ayan. 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Number 18. 18. Good shot by jersey number 18. 5 minutes and 36 seconds for the final Pancit Canton. Sabi 5 minutes and 29 seconds. 39 to Sandra. Uy, nakawala. Wala rin. 14 seconds shot clock. Official score, 49-48. Wala bang magta-time out dyan. Baka tuyo na ang lalamunan. Number 39. Marami pa yun. Okay. 3. 5 seconds violation. Okay. Tapik. 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Ayan. Defense. Isa lang po ang lamang ng Team Quatot at Team Below. Team number 22. Looking for a receiver. Dumiretso si 22 sa pal. Same ball pa rin. Ayan.
17 seconds.
5 minutes and 13 seconds. 5 minutes and 13 seconds. 15th, number 22, number 22. Ay, go. Number 18. 18. Oh, si Kwato. Kwato. Number 3. Sandra, tangkain mo. Wasakin mo. Ayun. 3 points by jersey number 30.
5 minutes remaining time.
Number 3. Tanlak kaya. Ayan. Number 24. Number 24.
40 seconds.
4 minutes and 48 seconds. 14 shot clock. 14 shot clock.
Ten to shoot. Going wide.
Awi. Number 13. Number 3. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Ayun. Nagawa. Pero may pito. Third personal foul by jersey number 80. 48-52.
Lapa.
Gigit na gigit.
14 seconds. Shot clock.
14 shot clock. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Tao. 23. Pero may pito. Counted. Basket down by jersey number 23. Bumabalik pa. Sabrep, number 11 in. Number 15 out. Ay, sino ang number 11? Okay, tama. Sino? Tama daw. Sino nawala? Si 18 ang nawala, be. Oo. First shot. Nice one. Oh. Number 39 to number 3. Number 3, tapo na sabaw. Wala. Wala. Ilang? 4 minutes and 6 seconds. 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Shot clock. 4 minutes and 6 seconds. 53-51. 14 shot clock. Number 39. Tapos mo sa bag. Pero wala. Ay, kuha ni number 10. Wala pa rin. Number 24. Tumatakbo. Good shot by jersey number 24. Timeout team Bronnery.
3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 50. Deadlock po tayo sa 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Buksan mo. Buksan mo. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Deadlock po tayo sa 3 minutes and 50. bahala kayo sa mga Three minutes and 15 seconds. Deadlock tayo. Dead ball. Yes. 3 minutes and 50 kanina. Number 30. Number 30. Ang bawat. Number 30 pa rin. To number 3. Number 3. Tumira.
Attention!
Number 3. Tumira. Wala.